Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. The algorithm is what determines how your video get ranked and suggested on the platform. If you want to grow and reach more people, you need to make sure you are playing the algorithm game. Let's get into some tips and tricks on how to beat the YouTube algorithm as a small YouTuber. Practice editing. Learn how to edit your video is essential for a successful channel. You can use free video editing software such as iMovie or Windows Movie. Make to get started, practice editing your video until you get the hang of the software. Optimize your video. Title and description with keyword. The algorithm look for keyword in your title and description. So description to suggest your video to viewers. Make sure your titles and description are clear and include relevant keyword. Create engaging content. If you want your video to rank higher and suggest to more viewers, make sure your content is engaging with your audience. Engaging and people want to watch it. The longer people watch your video, the higher your video ranking will be on the algorithm. Stay consistent with your upload. Consistency is key when it comes to beating the algorithm. Post on a regular schedule so the algorithms know when to expect new content from you. Optimize your video tags. Make sure your video tags are relevant and include as many related tags as possible. Tags help the algorithm understand what your video is about and suggest it accordingly. Engage with your audience. Engage with your audience as much as possible. Respond to comments, create polls, and encourage people to subscribe to your channel. The more engagement you have, the higher your video ranking will be on the algorithm. Those are my top tips on how to beat the algorithm as a small YouTuber. Remember, it's not about tricking the algorithm but rather understanding it and working with it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.